So Oktoberfest started September 16th and will go on till October 3rd, and I'm making this Wiener Schnitzel. Now, the word Wiener shall not be confused with a hot dog, because it actually means from Vienna, because, well, schnitzels come from Vienna. This one is made from veal, and actually by Austrian law, to call a schnitzel a Wiener Schnitzel, it must be made with veal as its main protein. It's the law. Other types of schnitzels include Schweinsschnitzel, which is made with pork. Then we have Ram Schnitzel, which is a schnitzel topped with a creamy gravy. Then we have the Zigeuner Schnitzel, which is also known as the Gypsy Schnitzel, and it's basically with a lot of bell peppers. Then we have the Puten Schnitzel, which is made with turkey. And then finally the Jäger Schnitzel, also known as the Hunter Schnitzel, topped with a creamy brown mushroom sauce. And I promise you, with this quick recipe, all these other variations will come to you very easily. Let's get down to the basics first. You can see the ingredient list is pretty small and the deliciousness is that much better. Now for the meat, I just went to the butcher, and if you have a good butcher, they would tell you which cut to use for a schnitzel. This is called a scallopini, and you can tell how thin it is. It's gonna cook in no time. I already have some oil heating up right now, and I'll prepare the breading. So we have some salt and pepper going into some regular all-purpose flour. Then I have 1 egg that I whipped. 1 egg is perfect for 2 schnitzels, regular sized. In that, I'm gonna add in some lemon zest. That's gonna add a burst of flavor. Now you wanna make sure that you have the oil around 350 to 375 Fahrenheit before you do the breadcrumbs. And that's for a very simple reason. The less the schnitzel sits in those coated breadcrumbs, the crispier the schnitzel would be. So the quicker you bread and fry, the better your schnitzel would be. So let's do that. Oil is ready. I'm gonna quickly bread it up, make sure every side is coated, and then start frying it up as I work on the next one. And 1 to 2 minutes on each side is all you need to get that beautiful golden brown crispiness. And I'm gonna use a fish spatula. It's the most delicate tool because it is used for fish after all, but it's perfect to just gently turn it. If you use tongs, you might risk pulling away the breadcrumbs, allowing oil to make your schnitzel super greasy, which you do not want. And then keep a close eye on how this is looking, because once your schnitzels are done, they should look a lot like this. Now I have a baking sheet with a wire rack and some paper towels to absorb some of that excess oil. So we'll just let it do its thing, let the oil drip out. You can pat the top if you want. But then I also have here my plate dressed up with German style cucumber salad, which I made for the first time, and it was the most amazing cucumber salad I've ever had. Serve with some slices or wheels of lemon and just go ahead and start eating. It was painful for me to see this sitting on the plate and not in my mouth. So enjoy this. For more schnitzel, check out my lemon and thyme schnitzel with a nice raspberry and arugula salad.